little bit about life in Iceland during the past few days. So it's 1:58, 1st of April 2021, early morning hours. So this is what you see here is Reykjanes Peninsula. And as we go up here. We check the homepage of Icelandic Met Office. Whole country, earthquakes during the last 48 hours. That's 1,857. Okay, let's go to Reykjanes Peninsula. Let's go to table. 1,814 in the last 48 hours. Let's skip all the small ones. I would hazard a guess magnitude 3 and larger are the ones that you can feel pretty well with your ass. What's the overall number here? 103. So we just scroll down. These are all the earthquakes that are more than 3 on the Richter scale, as you can see. Saturday starts from 2. This list, the last 48-hour list, starts from Saturday 2 a.m. And if we go all together, you can just stay on scrolling forever here. And like, there's no way for me to portray you this. But if you put your feet on the ground, it's not that bad at the moment actually. But you can still feel it, like the whole ground is like pulsing or vibrating ever so slightly. So yeah. Okay, yeah, it's definitely like I have no way to show it live. Like you just set your hand on the table and you put your feet on the ground and you can feel the pulsation going on. Let's see. Let's refresh it. Just give it a little F5 for good measure. Okay, nice. There hasn't been an earthquake in the last 7 minutes, 8 minutes now almost. Let's see. If we can get all regions. Let's see if there's been an earthquake. There hasn't been any. Nice. For like 8 minutes. Just look at the times. I'm just sitting here on my chair and the ground is let's just give it the Reykjanes Peninsula. So I'm sitting here on my chair and the earth is continuously just pulsing under my feet. It's just pulsing and pulsing and pulsing and pulsing. And this is just 2 hours of today, what I scrolled through here. The first 2 hours of Monday, the 1st of April. Now we get back to Sunday. And it's pulsing and pulsing and pulsing and pulsing and pulsing and pulsing and pulsing under my ass constantly. Pulsing, pulsing, pulsing. 5 o'clock. We had practice starting from 5. So this is just earthquakes that were going on during the practice. We were in the gym. They're all minor mostly. As you can see, like there's a 3.2. It was like halfway through the practice. I don't remember anything. Because it just feels that it's just constantly just like a ship taking off from the port. it's just vibrating under your ass. Let's see if we have had any strong ones. Let's go up again. Can hit page up, so let's go 3 and larger. That's Reykjanes Peninsula. 3 and larger should be 103. Let's see what's the strongest. Oh yeah, I felt that one, 4.9. Everything was shaking. Everything was shaking. It's like like a rubber house. Like kind of feels like you're being jolted back and forth. Like no duration. Okay, but it's like few seconds. So it isn't something like from a catastrophe movie. You see 4.7 there. 4.1. See, let's find another good one. 5.2, Saturday, 8 a.m. I woke up to that one. I just woke up 8 a.m. during an earthquake. That was pretty significant one. Let's see. All the other ones are more minor. Can I Google one-handed? Earthquake. So, what the hell is MB? Is that Richter? It's the largest earthquakes in Estonia. 44 years ago. 4.5. Hope that's on the Richter scale. Yeah. There was an earthquake in Alaska. Well, I guess we can go by this. So this is like the strongest ever in Estonia, 1976. I wasn't even alive then, so you know. It's been pretty interesting past few days. I mean, it's been ongoing for about like, I'd say, today's 1st of March. Let's see, let's look back at the calendar. Must be, it's like 4th or 5th day today. I don't remember anymore. Like, it's been just constantly vibrating. The ground has been constantly vibrating under my ass. I don't remember even how many days. Maybe it was Wednesday. Wednesday or Thursday, there was like 24th. Yeah, I now remember, because it was the Independence Day in Estonia. So 24th, there was quite a few strong ones. I guess like the strongest was 5.9. And from the 24th of February, the ground under my ass has been like shaking. Like I asked the neighbor today, and I asked him like, do you feel this also, or like is my feet fatigued? Is it just some muscle tension? Am I envisioning it? Am I making it up? And the answer is no. Like the neighbor said that he and his wife they thought the same. So yeah, I guess wow, I've spoken almost 10 minutes about nothing, but yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Good times.